Welcome to Get 100 Marks. In today's session, we are going to discuss about history of e-business. History of electronic business or e-commerce dates back to 1960. EDI in 1960 initiated the history of e-commerce when what is called electronic data interchange permitted companies to carry out electronic transactions. Later in 1979, Michael Aldrich invents online shopping, giving the concept of teleshopping, which revolutionized the way businesses happens. In 1981, the first business to business platform has been set up. Thomas Holliday submits the first ever business to business electronic transaction using online technology. In 1982, France Telecom invents Minitel, that is considered to be the most successful pre-World Wide Web online service. In 1984, ASC X12, a format ASC X12 provides a dependable means to conduct electronic businesses. ASC, which stands for Accredited Standards Committee. Accredited Standards Committee is a chartered company held by American National Standards, and it was set up in 1979, which is involved into development and maintenance of X12 electronic data interchanges. The first ever business to consumer online shopping has also started in 1984. It all started when a 74-year-old woman ordered using television remote using a video text technology. She has placed an order to Tesco using video text, and that was considered to be the first B2C online shopping. And in 1985, Nissan UX sells cars and finance with credit checking to customer online from dealers' lots. In 1987, SWREG creates the first electronic merchant account to let software developers sell online. In 1989, Peapod brings the grocery store to the home PC. This is the first ever grocery store to bring grocery stores to home via online. And in 1990, Tim Berners-Lee creates the first worldwide web server and browser using a NEXT computer. The 1991 was a revolutionary era for electronic commerce when the National Science Foundation lifts restrictions on the commercial use of internet, clearing the way for e-commerce in a much broader way. In 1992, J. H. Snyder and Tara Ziporin published a book by name Future Shop that contained information about how new technologies will change the way we shop and what we buy in the future. And in 1994, Netscape unveils SSL Encrypt, which is an secure socket layer in an encrypted based internet security protocol that has given the proof for privacy, authentication, and data integrity in usage of internet. And in the same year, Jerry and David's guide to the WWW is renamed as Yahoo. Third-party payment services for online credit processing sales has begun, and the first online bank was opened in the year 1994. In 1995, Amazon.com started selling each and everything over online. AuctionWeb launches a site soon to be re-inaugurated as eBay. A company called Verizon begins developing digital IDs. And in 1998, PayPal launches pay services. Google debuted on e-commerce. Yahoo launched Yahoo Stores. And in 1999, Suppose an US-based shoe cart launches web-only shoe store. And in the same year, internet retailers' debuts have started. Global Sports launch outsourced e-commerce platform. Victoria's Secret, a famous women branding company, debuts their online site. And in 2000, the ongoing dot-com investment business has emerged. And in the same year, OS Commerce is started in Germany as the Exchange project. OS Commerce is an e-commerce and an online store management software program which uses PHP and MySQL for their operations. In 2001, Amazon.com places a trial launching a mobile commerce site, and in 2002, CSN stores and net shops begin selling products through several targeted domains. Again, CNS Stores is an US based furniture and home goods company, whereas NetShop is US based apparel, dry goods, hardware, and houseware selling concern. And in 2003, Apple launched iPhone Store, and Congress passes the CAN Spam Act, and that is a historical event with respect to e-commerce. And Zencard branches from OS Commerce. In 2004, credit card companies create PCI data security standards. PCI stands for Payment Card Industry. Provisions for credit card companies has been introduced in 2014. In 2005, first Internet Retailer Conference and Exhibition was conducted. YouTube has been launched. Web 2.0 takes hold, making sites more interactive. The final release of VirtuMart happened. VirtuMart is an open source e-commerce solution that has been used by so many companies during that period. In 2006, Google debuts Google Checkout, and in 2007, Apple launched iPhone with full web browsing and downloading apps, which is an advancement in e-commerce. Free open source PrestaShop software is also founded. In 2008, Amazon introduced Text by It, and Magento Commerce Solution is launched by Varian. In 2010, Magento Mobile is released, allowing store owners to create native mobile storefront apps. These were historically very important evolutions which happened in e-commerce until 2010. Later, there were no much revolutionized startups have come up, but whereas in 2011, Google has launched Google Wallet. In 2012, Instacart online food ordering and delivery uh, app has been launched. That is the first ever online food ordering application. And in 2014, Apple Pay has been introduced and Swiggy came into place. In 2015, Google launched Android Play, and in 2018, Flipkart is acquired by Walmart. These were few historic events with respect to e-commerce history, and e-commerce is ever growing and it will keep on growing. Thank you.